guys, and welcome back and welcome to a new year, 2023. It's January, and right now it is actually a beautiful winter day, about 65 degrees. I just got a little chilly today, and I say chilly even though it's 65. It was like 75 or 80 yesterday. I wanted to make this video today just to say thank you, because we have now over 600 subscribers, which is to me, that's huge. I'd never thought that I'd get, over 20, much less, 600. So thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm just an amateur mechanic, but I really enjoy working on stuff like the truck and the boat and everything else. So we will continue to do that. I know I've been slow to put out videos lately with work and the family and everything else. It gets a little busy, but have no fear. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, because there will always be more content as as I work on the truck or as I go fishing or whatever. Also new in 2023 is some more cameras, so we'll have different camera angles and some more accessories for the camera. So look for that, because I'm pretty excited what we're going to be able to do and what we're going to be able to capture in these videos now with multiple cameras and in different views and things like that. What we're going to do in today's video is go over all the highlights of 2022. So sit back and relax, enjoy the video, and if you like it, hit the like button. Also subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more to come. I got it. See? Something pull it. Yep. Ooh. We are out here right now on Decker Lake. It's still a gorgeous morning. Still about 70 degrees in December, which is kind of weird. But here's our special guest, my buddy for a long time, Mark. You'll probably know him better as Fishing for Dinner. You've heard me talk about his channel a lot. And this time, if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. If you want to see some serious fishing, Mark is your man. Dude. Put him in there. Flip it in. Flip him in. Holy crap, man. Yes, dude. Look at this. Nice one, dude. All right, y'all, we're out here. It's a little chillier today. We're out on Decker Lake. We're gonna really try to catch whatever we can find. Striper, hybrid, crappie, whatever. But we're out fishing with Scott today. Say hi, Scott. Hello. Huh?
Small. Hey, I was on the bottom pretty much.
Really? All right. One fish in the boat. Oh, you got one? All right. I think Scott's got a fish. Nice. All right, y'all, we are back, and we're back here with the Cummins. In the last video, I kind of teased that we're gonna have to fix the throttle linkage. This comes off, and that's very bad if you're driving down the road, because the clips in here don't hold. So what I did is I got the throttle linkage kit for the first gen from Crazy Carl's Turbos. It's $35. Burner. But today, if you'll remember back, we changed the oil on this, and we suspected that the oil was probably the original oil that came in the engine, and we had about 80 something hours on the engine when we changed it. All right, so here is the sheet that you get from Blackstone once they analyze your oil and they send you the report back. Now, I'm not going to go over really the layout of this whole sheet. If you want to see that, check out my other video with the Chevy Silverado, because I go over all the different boxes and everything like that. But it's pretty self-explanatory. And let's get into the two strokes. well, here it is. It's the 1980 20 horsepower Johnson. All right, we have to do a battery change on the Ryobi, but look at this fuel. I mean, this is unreal. All right, the camera was angled down, so hopefully y'all saw that coming down, but here is the tank. It is looking pretty dirty. Rylan, did you help? Yeah. All right, so we got everything buttoned back up. There's third gear.
Yeah. It shifts really well.
Oh yeah.
Must be what Uncle Steve and Dad back in the when they said they
Yeah.
just threw them in the bottom of the boat. Yeah.
Tiny little, this could almost be bait. And back you go. Golly. Man, Scott is over here pulling in, yeah.
You do?
Holy shit.
All right.
Got one? That's down. That's a decent one.
I can catch pretty far. Going? Yeah. Look at that. But mine now.
We do have a wait to start light. I'm just kind of surprised. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how the brakes feel. Oh wow. You do not have to stomp on them. I have the power brakes back. Oh yeah. Man, and those feel good too.